Hey, it's Glenda with Knitting Ninja, and I have a question for you today. Actually, more of a favor. I want to find out what you guys think of knit and crochet kits. It's been suggested to me that I should do that with my designs. Since most of them are free, you're thinking, oh, why should I pay? But if you're like me, what you'll do is you will download all day. You'll go to Pinterest and you'll see something like, woo, I got to do this. Or you'll see something there on Ravelry and you'll pay for the pattern and you'll download it and there it will sit with all your other patterns for eternity until you realize, oh, I bought this. I guess I should make it. And I thought that that would be a good idea to get a kit because I know I've got kits several times. And what happens is whenever I receive that in the mail, it becomes a priority to make whatever it is that I paid for. And I thought, well, that would be great. People would be actually making something versus taking up room on their computer. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of links below so you can see what it is I'm going to be marketing, or I would be marketing depending on how this goes. And any comments, as long as they are constructive, I would really like to hear from you, and we'll get back to you as soon as I do something. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.